Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Happiness Empire. Yes, darling. So guys, welcome back. So it's a new week on Monday. You understand? Happy New Year, guys. How you all doing? I pray the blessing of the Lord showers upon you guys, because you all deserve it for the love you have been showing on me. So please, if today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, please don't hesitate. Like, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, I think it's this side at the button, it's written in red. Just subscribe. It also hit the bell notification so that you'll be getting notified anytime and every time your babe upload a new video. So guys, in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a very simple high, and then after, I'm going to be using the same makeup to do like a different color of lipstick, like different lipstick tutorial as well, for those of us that maybe if you do a light shade of eyeshadow, you don't know the type of lipstick to go with, like to do. So for today, I'm just going to be showing you guys the type of lipstick to go with nude eyeshadow, dramatic eyeshadow, bright eyeshadow. The dramatic and bright one, is it not the same? Yeah, I understand. But though I'm going to be showing different type of lipstick that maybe you may like, you will want to use. Don't mind the lipstick though. Some of the lipstick, my concealer or whatever it's called, yeah, I've messed it up, so don't just mind them like this one. If you understand, just look at how it is, very dirty. And though I'm going to be cleaning that later, but if you want me to do how to clean this what is it called, this lipstick makeup body, that whenever you touch them kind of rough you, so you just tell me and your babe will do it for you guys. So you see, yeah, just this. And also I have some here with me, and let me show you guys. I also have this lipstick palette. I've used it, but I'm still going to be doing like a lipstick tutorial from it, like from inside. It has a dark, light, pink, red, purple, something like that. Yeah, I think so. You see that I've used most of them. Just look at the beautiful color it has. Just this, you see. Yeah, and without wasting much of your time, guys, let's just get right into it. Okay, so now I'm going to be drawing my brows. I'm just going for, I always change my mind. Yeah, it's normal for humans, to always change your mind. I don't know what is it. New. So I'm just going to do the makeup as a tutorial, then after I do the lip switching. So let's get right into it. See, guys, let me tell you one secret you need to know. Like for this brown eyebrow pencil that is written here. So like if you want to darken the end of the brow, you can just use black eyebrow pencil. Yeah, you can just use black shade, just like to darken it. If you are going for that darken shade at the end, to me, I kind of like the darker shade at the end. Not too dark though, but a little bit light. Yeah. Just like you brush and blend. You understand? You just brush and blend. And then I use my brush eyebrow pencil, sorry for that, then just to cover your natural eyebrow, you understand, just like this. And then with your brush, you see that, just blend. And when you are blending, you don't blend downward, no, you just comb it upward. Don't comb it downward, no, it doesn't work like that. You're going to rough your face and then rough all your effort you have put in. So for the front, you take your brush like this and then you just brush up frontward. See that? So guys, before I forget, yeah, okay, let me moisturize my makeup, you understand. So I'm going to take from it now, like to clean my brows, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to take I'm sorry for the noise, guys. Actually, it was my door, just a little breeze, but the breeze is not enough for me because I'm sweating as I am right now. So I'm just going to take the eyebrow cleaner or whatsoever. I'm just going to take it. So I think it's this flat one right here. You see? Oh yeah, it's this one. It's this one, yeah. The thing is that there wasn't any paper that came with it for me to know the particular one to use, but with my own knowledge, I'm going to figure them out. My own knowledge, I'm going to figure them out. So I've just taken this flat shade right here, so I'm just going to be using it to do the cleaning of the brows, if you understand, and see how it's going to be. So let me come a little bit closer so that you see me well. So guys, yeah, I'm done with the brows. This is how the side look. I don't know why this side, or like the hair in this place, is like much than the other side, if you understand. So that is how I seen it. It's not like it's not good. No, it's good. It's very good and nice. I like it. On this side, yeah. So guys, I'm done. Finally I'm done with the brows. Yeah, I know I said it earlier, but I went ahead to do other things, you know, to correct it very well. So now this is the final look of the brow. Just blending the concealer out, you understand. I'm going to be going with like I'm taking this shade right here with my makeup brush, tapping a little bit, and then apply on it. So guys, yeah, so guys, now I'm going to be taking this shade right here. So with the same brush, you can switch brushes, you understand, you can switch brushes, but for me, just like that blood is already there for using the same brush all over and over and over again. So guys, now I'm going so I'm just using it to like blend it out a little bit, you understand? For this upper side, I'm just with the former brush I used to like apply the dark shade. So I'm just going to use it like to darken it a little bit, to remove that white line a little bit, just a little bit, you understand? Yeah, just like that. And then go back again. So I'm just going for a white shade right here, just to lighten it up a little bit. So now guys, I'm going to be using this little bit of a shiny shade right here. I don't know if you can see it very well. Yeah, it shines a little bit, so I'm just going to apply that with my brush. Grind just the excess powder off. So guys, I went ahead to apply this shiny color on top of the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be doing the cleaning up, you understand? That was my baby. For the noise you just heard. Bye. Please guys, if you like this video, the look, the makeup and everything, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please show me some love because I love you all. Please guys, bye.